Hey you guys, this is Shreya Khanna on YouTube. How are you? If you follow me on Instagram, I have just two channels on YouTube and on Instagram. These are both Shreya Khanna. Okay, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell icon because Akashic Records reading is coming tomorrow. Okay, I am trying to give you guys more and more details on different kind of tarot readings. Okay, so Akashic Records is one of the readings that I generally do. Okay, but I have not been doing it for some time now. So this is more like, you know, um, somebody asked me to do it. Okay, so I've been thinking to get this done for you on the collective, general collective. Okay, so guys, in case any of you is thinking of a particular general reading, let me know in the comment section. The other thing is, in case you want your personal Akashic Records reading, personal love reading, marriage reading, you can contact me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box below. Okay, if you like the video, we are going to check your person's current energy and whatever is gonna come in this reading regarding you and your person. Okay, let's see. Har Har Mahadev Ji, Har Har Mahadev Ji, Har Har Mahadev Ji. This is coming for you. Okay, there is the Fool card. There's the Fool card and the Lovers card in the bottom of the deck. Yeah, the Lovers card had to come here. The Lovers is here. We have Hanged Man. Oh my god, Five of Cups, King of Wands, Two of Pentacles. Let's see. Okay, so guys, this is what your lover's energy is. They want a new beginning here. They are looking for a new beginning here and they think that you're their soulmate. Okay, now there is a 10 of Pentacles. So this reading could only resonate with the people who really think that their person is their person and they can't be detached from their person, and even if no matter what's the case, how long you have been separated from them, it doesn't matter. They are looking for a new beginning. And you know what, since the very starting, since the starting that you guys have been separated, they have been very confused, or it could be a case that where they made you hang up to a particular situation and sent you to the way of confusion. Your partner sent you to the way of confusion. Something like that is coming. Okay, since then you have been hanging up in that situation, thinking when they are gonna be proposing to you. This is Page of Cups coming. Okay, so there was a disappointment in this love situation. It is a Lover's card for you. Okay, any of you who feels that yes, this is your partner, they are. Okay, and you're still confused, you have this blindfold on your eyes and you see that, you know what, I don't know why I'm waiting for this person. Even if I'm not waiting for this person, why this person and I have a still connection, still we have a connection, and I don't know what to do, right? Because there is some kind of a disappointment in this particular situation. Let's see what this disappointment was. So you could be a male, you could be a female checking. This is a timeless video. Moreover, this is not a gender specific also. Okay, I'll just tell you the zodiacs very soon. What was the disappointment in this relationship? It ended too soon. Wow, it ended too soon. Okay, thank you. It ended too soon. The lovers were supposed to be together. Yeah, you were supposed to marry this person. Let's see what this person is waiting on. This person is waiting on for things to change. I mean, I'm not lying, guys. This is like, I don't even make this thing up. You all already know that this is your person. Okay, let me tell you this. Some of you feel very angry sometimes, and you show that all your anger to in the sometimes some people are doing this in the comment section also, that they did this to me, they did that to me, this and that. Some people are disliking those videos where it is coming like they are gonna text you, they are gonna come to you, they love you. People are disliking those videos, and I'm saying, yeah, okay, you can't digest it because you've come too far. It's not your fault, okay, but I'm trying to tell you that you have come too far thinking about your person in a negative way. Okay, if you have to grow, you have to evolve from a certain place. You have to evolve from that place where there was a lot of disappointments, and I can tell you that yes, your person loves you. Your person is hanged up because they hanged you up in a particular situation. They made you feel alone, and they put you in confusion why they ghosted you. I just feel that someone ghosted you. Okay, the relationship ended too soon, and I'm telling you this honestly. This is the relationship where it was supposed to be all great. This is 555 coming, all great. The lovers, and 1111 as the four of wands, happy marriage, love situation, 6 6 on that, strong Venus energy. Okay, let me tell you what the zodiacs are here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is here. Okay, we have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have Libra, Gemini, Aquarius here. Okay, yeah, until yeah, we have that, and we have Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio also. So we have covered a lot of signs, all the signs probably. Okay, we have this is 12th of December. We have the Hanged Man here. Maybe you can pray to Mahadeva ji, maybe you can pray to Kal Bhairav. I don't know why Kal Bhairav is coming, but Kal Bhairav is coming for you to be honest, for you to speak the truth, for you to do the right kind of thing to yourself. Be honest, okay? If you love this person, tell yourself that yes, I love this person. If you don't, then walk yourself out of it. Okay, walk yourself out of it. This is 7 7 again. I have shuffled these cards so many times. Page of Swords is coming. Deep down in your subconscious mind, in your like, there is a shadow. I'm seeing you need to do a shadow work. Okay, this is the shadow. This is 5 of Cups. You got disappointed, and somewhere your body, your mind is not able to accept. What you're not able to accept is that your past with this person was not as great, and then you have to move on from a particular situation, and you have to live your best life, and you are not able to breathe with that particular thing, that some of your past was not great, okay, with your love situation. So that has blocked you a lot. Okay, blocked a lot of your space. So yesterday I got to know this. There is one thing that you can do when everyone tries to tell you that don't contact this person, don't contact. Okay, now I don't know how many of you are trying to thinking to take risk anymore. Okay, I don't know how many of you have tried to go to this person again and again, and this person never took an initial effort, something like that. Okay, now I just want to tell you this while we are talking about this. Somebody yesterday told me that, you know what, there is this thing when in a relationship somebody is ghosting someone. All you need to do is text them, have you gave up on this particular relationship? Okay, just write it down. Send them a text if you want to. I'm not saying do it, okay, but this was a love situation, and if you don't go within and don't come out straight, then going within was not a point. Okay, now I just want to say that if you want to give it a last try, any of you, text this person, have you given up on this relationship? Okay, in case you want to. If they text you back, they will give you like 3 to 5 minutes. They will give you the answer. Okay, 3 to 5 minutes of watching that particular message. Okay, if they give you an answer, you have your answer. Okay, if they don't answer, you have your answer as yes, they have given up, and then you move on. Okay, now I don't know who this message was for, but you can try. Okay, So we are seeing, I have this King of Wands. What is this message for? Ace of Swords. Your person wants to contact you, and there is a very special thing about this this particular situation where I see your cards is your person loves you, you loved this person. They have been hung up on you because they made you hung up also. So this situation is, getting on the same person who did this in the very first time. I can see they ghosted you. So this is going to resonate with you if they ghosted you. Okay, these are my first three cards. They ghosted you, and the Lovers card. Okay, yeah, they were your true love. They were your true love. You actually loved this person. You wanted to marry this person. So this is your right coming. And then you have this blindfold on your, all of your eyes, and you're saying, I don't know which way to go. It could be a stalemate situation with this person, that things were not going further than where it were. Okay, so that could have been, made you leave their place, leave their side, something like that. Okay, now there is this King of Wands where I took the clarity on for, and that's the Ace of Swords. This person wanting to contact you like every single time, every single day they are trying to contact you. This is 111 and this is 1122. There's the Page of Cups card. They want to contact you. They want to ask you if you want to go out on a if you want to go out on a, casual date, not a real date, not a relationship date, not a lover's date, but a casual date where two people go out, talk, and come back like friends, go as friends, come back as friends, something like that. Okay, they want to do all the fun and socializing. What's the reality of your person? Let's see. What's the reality of the person that you're watching this video for? This is 12. Mahadeva ji, please guide us. What's the reality of that person? Queen of Swords. Yeah. What's the reality of your person? This is 12. Mahadeva ji, please guide us. 5 of Swords. This person could be Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. Not that. Gemini is also an energy. Yeah. This person had so much in mind, right? This person had so much in mind for you. Okay. Now, let's see. This person already always knew that you are this person who will wait for them forever. You will wait for them as long as they took. Okay. This person also engaged in some sort of negativity regarding you. Okay, this person could have negative toxic friends. This person also tried to sabotage this connection, sabotage you also. Okay, so if you're watching this and this was a love relationship, this person imagined love. So I am getting this particular feeling where you and this person met. You did not click very much as lovers, but you click as, just like you see someone, you wave at them, you say hi to them, and then the things start to get all weird up, and then you started having feelings for this person. Then this person also started having feelings, and then this person gave you the vibe that they want to make you wait, right? They are still thinking about it, and they have been thinking about it since then, right? But then this person started feeling for you. So what happened is, somehow the things got something like that you wanted this person more and more as the time was getting to the point of end, like situation is ending, something like that. And then that person also started to feel for you once everything was ending, right? So something, I see that something couldn't be hidden from you. Okay, as much as this person wanted to hide, right? As much as this person wanted to hide this 3 of Pentacles. Okay, they were not in a very good financial condition. Even if you saw that they were in great condition, I see that you could be a light worker. That couldn't be hidden from you. okay? This person did something to sabotage that particular thing, or maybe hide it something, and they like, you saw it straight from them, and this person still don't know why you left. And this person has this like, do you even know, yeah, my collective knows, okay? Something like that, you know, okay? Now this person wants to tell you the truth. This is coming up very strong. If you have any, see, I just love to tell myself, no, I mean, let it go, okay? What I'm trying to say is, I believe in my readings. If I'm telling you very very strongly that yes, this person wants to tell you the truth, it is the truth, because the truth is coming to you. Again, Eight of Wands is also for the truth, growth, and happiness, and success, something like that. Something wants to be shown to you, something is ready to come out as a truth to you, okay? This person let you go also. This person wanted you to be the part of their something that they have been, going for, okay? Now this person have been waiting for the, change, the transformation, and this person has been talking to God and telling God that, please God, I want this person. This person has been waiting for the judgment, because all they want is you, okay? They saw you leaving. And maybe for some of you is coming also, that for they left you for some kind of growth in their career and finances, okay? For some of you, okay? So we have covered all the signs, right? Number 2, number 12, number 0, number 5, number 6, number 4, number 3, number 8, number 1, aces, number 10, number 13, number 20, and number, yeah. So these are the numbers that are coming for you specifically, and number 21 too, okay? So yeah, that was your reading. If you like it, like the video, you want to book a private reading, Akashic records, love situation, career situation, financial situation, you want to get a proper reading on that, book it with me on WhatsApp. And what the detailed number of the number is given in the description box below. Plus, like this video, share with your loved ones, share with someone who would like it, okay? Comment down below, and I will see you in your next video, or maybe in your personal session. A lots of love. I will see you. Bye bye. Radhe Radhe.